Good morning. I'm Chantel and you're watching Quest Bites. Think of me like your new buddy. I'm going to teach you something fun each day and send you home with a project. Today we're going to learn about engineering. Do you know what an engineer is? If you do, click yes and click no if you don't. Give you a few more seconds as we have people joining us. We're deciding whether or not we know what an engineer is. Ah, it looks like a few people do. Very cool. So, an engineer is a noun and it's a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. Sounds cool, right? Okay, we're going to try it. So, I want you to grab your paper and I want you to grab your pen. And now I want you to think of something really cool that you'd like to build, like a new race car or an elevator to the moon or something like that, okay? Now picture it in your head. You got it? Okay, great. We're going to do some drawings. You draw what you're thinking of, and I'll draw what I think of. And it's okay if you're not really great at drawing. I'm not great at drawing either, but we'll still know what each other means. All right. It's okay if you're not finished yet. You can have your mom and dad help you upload a picture later so that I can see what you see. But I wanted to show you what I'm thinking of. See, it's a clown car with a pie thrower. Be sure to finish your drawing later and send it to me. So, guess what? You were just beginning to engineer. This is called the design phase of engineering. See, engineers start with ideas in their head, and then they use tools like pens and paper and computers to create really cool things like race cars or roller coasters or even things like coffee makers. I bet your mom and dad love this thing, don't they, right now? So, who wants to be an engineer when you grow up? Click yes if you do and no if you don't. I mean, being an engineer is pretty cool. We have some pretty cool ones on our team. Oh, looks like we have some people who do want to be one. That's exciting. So, we can start today on some of our engineering dreams by building a catapult. I'm going to put a link in the comments for your parents so they can help you build one. You'll need rubber bands and popsicle sticks. Be sure to send me photos and questions either on the page or to my email in the comments. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow when we're going to discuss different kinds of engineers. And I really want to thank you for being such great listeners. This video will be available on the page if you want to rewatch it. Have a great day.